This is Bactaslyde Bacteria Testing Kit. These are 3 ranges of Bactaslyde: BS101, BS102, BS103. Each slide has 2 sides. Let's start the procedure by testing some samples. Open and dip the slide in the water for 30 seconds. Remove the slide and gently shake off excess liquid. Screw the slide back in the tube. Keep it in room temperature for 18 to 24 hours. For solid foods, we are using chicken as sample. Unscrew the slide and sandwich it between the food item for at least 30 seconds. After the desired time, screw the slide back in the tube. Allow it to incubate for 18 to 24 hours in room temperature. For milk, open the slide and dip it in the sample for 30 seconds. Gently shake off the excess and screw the slide back in the tube. Allow to incubate for 18 to 24 hours at room temperature. For paste, take 10 grams of sample, dilute using 100 ml of sterilized water. Unscrew the slide and place it in the sample solution for 30 seconds. Gently shake off the excess and then screw the slide back in the tube. Allow to incubate for 18 to 24 hours at room temperature. For powder, take 10 grams of powder, dilute using 100 ml of sterilized water. Place the slide in it for 30 seconds. Gently shake off the excess and then screw the slide back in the tube. Allow to incubate for 18 to 24 hours at room temperature. For cream and lotion, take the sample in a glass container. Using a glass rod, rub it on either side of the slide. Make sure the glass rod is disinfected using alcohol. Put the slide back in the tube. Allow it to incubate for 18 to 24 hours at room temperature. To check the bacteria present on the flat surface, open the slide and place it on the flat surface and then press the cap until a click sound and the slide touches firmly on the surface. Repeat the same on the other side and screw it back into the tube. Allow it to incubate for 18 to 24 hours at room temperature. These are the results formed after 18 to 24 hours of incubation. Compare your results with the respective density chart to conclude the estimated count of bacteria. Water, chicken, milk, ginger garlic paste, powder, body cream, flat surface. For better understanding of this product, please refer to the impact leaflet provided.